Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart phone. Swipe down, open the setting panel. Click on power icon. Click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth app data. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on apps. Click on see all apps. Click on three dots more option. Click on show system apps and search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth. Scroll down. Click on storage, add cache. Now here you will see clear storage. And if you want to clear storage and app data, then click on clear storage. After click on clear storage, this app data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates. Now here you will see got it or update option, and if you want to update software, then click on got it or update software. After click on got it or update software, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth cutting in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.